What if I told you that a mineral available in abundance can become the foundation of a multi-crore manufacturing business? A product used in glass, ceramics, solar panels, electronics, paints, construction materials, and yet very few entrepreneurs are building large-scale quartz powder manufacturing units. While thousands of people chase overcrowded startup ideas, smart industrial entrepreneurs are quietly building wealth by supplying essential raw materials that industries cannot function without. And quartz powder is one of those hidden opportunities. So, if you're looking for a manufacturing business with long-term demand, scalability, and massive industrial applications, stay with me till the end. Let's start with the numbers. The global quartz powder market was valued at approximately $1.3 billion in 2035 and is projected to reach nearly $3.2 billion by 2035, growing at a CAGR of around 9.2%. What's driving this growth? Demand is increasing rapidly from glass manufacturing, ceramic and tile industries, electronics manufacturing, solar energy sector, construction chemicals, paints and coatings, engineered stone products. The world is moving toward renewable energy, smart electronics, advanced construction materials, and semiconductor manufacturing. All these industries require high-quality quartz products. Asia-Pacific remains the fastest-growing region due to industrialization, infrastructure expansion, urbanization, and rising manufacturing investments. The most exciting part, quartz isn't a trend-driven product. It is an industrial necessity. Demand is expected to remain strong for decades because every new factory, building, solar project, and electronic device increases the need for quartz-based materials. One of the biggest advantages of quartz powder manufacturing is diversification. Your customers can come from multiple industries, including glass manufacturing plants, ceramic tile manufacturers, sanitaryware producers, foundries, paint manufacturers, construction chemical companies, refractory manufacturers, solar panel producers, electronics manufacturers, semiconductor industries, water filtration companies. Very few manufacturing businesses enjoy this level of customer diversity. If one industry slows down, demand from another industry can keep your business moving forward. This significantly reduces business risk and creates long-term stability. Some major global companies operating in the quartz industry include Sibelco, the Quartz Corporation, Momentive Performance Materials, Jiangsu Pacific Quartz. However, despite the presence of these large players, regional and domestic markets remain highly fragmented. Thousands of small and medium manufacturers continue to supply local industries because transportation costs and customer-specific requirements create opportunities for new entrants. In other words, the market is large enough for many successful manufacturers. Now let's discuss why this industry deserves serious attention. First, demand is growing consistently across multiple sectors. Second, most customers are industrial buyers who place repeat orders throughout the year. Third, India offers a massive domestic market driven by construction, ceramics, glass, and infrastructure growth. Fourth, export opportunities are expanding as global demand rises. Fifth, the business model is highly scalable. Entrepreneurs can begin with smaller capacities and gradually expand production. Sixth, raw materials are available in several regions across India. Seventh, manufacturers can offer multiple product grades depending on customer requirements, creating various revenues. Eighth, the processing technology is relatively straightforward compared to many specialty chemical industries. And finally, the future demand outlook remains extremely strong. Remember this, industries worth millions are often built by supplying essential raw materials, not by chasing trends. Quartz powder is a foundational industrial product used every single day by multiple industries. The entrepreneur who builds strong customer relationships today could create a manufacturing brand that lasts for decades. Manufacturing entrepreneurs can also benefit from various government initiatives. These may include MSME registration benefits, CGT MSE collateral-free loan support, state industrial subsidies, capital investment subsidies, interest subsidy programs, industrial land allotment support, export promotion schemes, Startup India initiatives, various state-level manufacturing incentives. The availability of incentives depends on your project location and state policies. So always verify current schemes before making investment decisions. Starting a manufacturing business requires proper planning. NPCS can assist entrepreneurs through detailed project reports, DPR, techno-economic feasibility studies, market research, plant setup guidance, machinery selection support, financial projections, investment planning, manufacturing process know-how. These resources help reduce uncertainty, improve decision-making, and accelerate project implementation. Tomorrow's manufacturing millionaires will not be created by chasing trends. They will be created by supplying the essential materials industries cannot operate without. Quartz powder is one of those opportunities. The question is not whether demand will exist. The question is whether you will be among the entrepreneurs who capture it. If you're serious about entering manufacturing, this may be the right time to explore quartz powder production before the market becomes significantly more competitive.